Now children, tell me one thing. Suppose if you are very hungry. Good morning children. Good morning children. Now, suppose children, did you had your breakfast? Very good. Now suppose children, tell me, if you are very hungry and you want to eat something, your mother will make, suppose if you say if you want to have a Mickey Mouse cake in a shape of Mickey Mouse, and your mother will make a Mickey Mouse cake. Suddenly children, just think children, if your mummy makes a Mickey Mouse cake and that Mickey Mouse cake turns into the real Mickey Mouse and comes out of the room, comes out of the oven, how you will feel? Won't you feel excited? Won't you feel joy? That is what children happens in today's lesson. That is lesson number 6, a gingerbread man. What is today's lesson? Today's lesson is gingerbread man. Lesson number 6, gingerbread man. Suppose children, if your mother makes, just like how I said, if suppose if your mother makes a Mickey Mouse cake, and if that Mickey Mouse cake is ready, and from that oven, if that Mickey Mouse cake becomes a real Mickey Mouse and jumps out and start running here and there, what you will do? How you will feel? Won't you feel excited? Won't you feel to eat that Mickey Mouse cake? Yes, that is what happens in today's lesson. That is the lesson number 6, the gingerbread. Let us learn what is this gingerbread. Once upon a time, there was a little old woman. She lived in a little cottage. One day, she was hungry. She decided to bake a gingerbread man. She made a duff. She rolled it flat and cut it. She put the raisins for the eyes. She put the cinnamon for the mouth. She put the chocolate pieces for the button. Then she put the gingerbread man in the oven. When the little old woman opened the oven door, the gingerbread man jumped up. He ran out of the cottage. The little old woman ran after the gingerbread man. Stop! She yelled. Yelled means what? What do you mean by yelled? Yelled means what? Yelled means shouted. Yelled means shouted. Yelled means shouted. She shouted. Stop! I want to eat you. But the gingerbread man ran fast. The gingerbread man ran through the yard. Yard means what? A yard means a big farm. He passed a goat. Stop. The goat grunted. Goat also shouted. Stop, stop, grunt. Sound of the goat. I want to eat you. But the gingerbread man ran fast. So what happened, children? Once there was an old woman. Once there was an old lady. She was feeling hungry. So she made a duff for herself. Duff means what? Hit kalastarla. Nimamma hit kalastar. Chapati hittu kalastar. Nimamma hit kalastarla. Chapati hit kalastarla. Nimamma chapati hit kalastarla. So chapati hit kalastarla. So the gingerbread. So that is how this old lady, she was feeling very hungry. So she made a duff. Duff means hit. Hit kalastarla. That is, in English it is called duff. She made a duff. Then she rolled that duff. Rolled means like chapati. Chapati lattastarla. Nim mummy chapati lattastarla. Nim chapati lattastarla nim mummy. So even she also rolled. She also rolled the gingerbread. And then what she did? She made a gingerbread man. Why she made man? Just to have a fun. For eyes, she made a man. Now, how she made a man? Like suppose here, this is a chapati she made out of that bread? She put the raisin. Raisin means what? Drakshi antarla kannadnaga, drakshi, dry fruit. That raisin, she put it as a eye. Then she put synonym as a synonym. She put synonym as a mouth. Synonym. Synonym as a mouth. Then she made a chocolate. Chocolate, small chocolate she made. That chocolate, she put it as a button to the gingerbread man. Then what she did? She made the gingerbread man is so nice. She put that gingerbread man inside the oven. She put that gingerbread man inside the oven, and when she put the gingerbread man inside the oven, the moment the gingerbread man was ready, and this old lady, she wanted to eat that. The moment that gingerbread was ready, she opened the oven. As she opened the oven, children, the gingerbread man jumped out of the oven. The old lady got scared. Old lady was, what is this? How come the gingerbread man jumped out? Then the gingerbread man, he ran out of the house. The gingerbread man ran into the yard. Then this old lady ran behind the gingerbread man. She said, stop, stop. She shouted, she yelled. Yelled means what? She shouted, stop, stop, I want to eat you. Then when the gingerbread was running, this old lady was also running behind gingerbread man. Then the gingerbread man passed the goat. Even the goat grunted. Grunted means what? Goat, sound of the goat is called grunted. So the goat also said, stop, stop, I want to eat you. But gingerbread man did not stop. Then what happens next? The goat chased the gingerbread man. The goat also ran behind the gingerbread man. Gingerbread man passed by the cow by the barn. Stop, the cow moved. I want to eat you. But the gingerbread man ran fast. Cow also chased. Gingerbread man passed the horse in the field. Stop, the horse neighed. I want to eat you. But the gingerbread man ran fast. The horse also chased the gingerbread man. So what happens, children? When the gingerbread man, when that old lady, when she put the gingerbread inside the oven, the gingerbread man became the real man. And the gingerbread man, he ran. Old lady also ran. Old lady said, gingerbread, stop, I want to eat you. Then gingerbread man passed near the goat. That goat also said, stop, stop, I want to eat you. The goat grunted. Then gingerbread man passed through the cow. The cow also shouted to the gingerbread man. Cow said, cow moved, mama, mom, stop, I want to eat you. But the gingerbread man ran fast because gingerbread man, old woman was running behind, horse was running behind, cow was running behind the gingerbread man. Then the horse, then afterwards the gingerbread man ran fast and fast. Then it ran behind, then it passed the horse. The horse neighed. Horse said, stop, stop, I want to eat you. So the horse also said to the gingerbread man that stop, I want to eat you. But the gingerbread man went on running fast. The gingerbread man ran fast, fast, fast. So when the gingerbread man was running fast, old lady was running behind. Old lady was chasing. Chasing means what? Chasing means what, children? Chasing means to run behind. Chasing means to run behind. So old lady, horse, cow, goat, all were running behind the gingerbread man. But the gingerbread man was running fast, fast, fast. So now let's see what happens next. Does it continues to run? Does the gingerbread man continues to run? Let us learn. the ginger man reached the wide river. He didn't know how to swim. The hungry fox saw the gingerbread man. He said, "Jump on my nose, jump on my nose. I will take you across the river." The gingerbread man jumped on the fox's nose. They started across the river. But as soon as they reached the bank, the fox flipped, turned over and caused to. Fox flipped means it turned over. And gingerbread man into the air and ate him up. So what did the fox did? When the gingerbread, what happened, children? When that old lady prepared the gingerbread for herself to eat because she was hungry. So what happens? This gingerbread man ran out of the old lady's house. So when it runs out of old lady's house, that old lady run behind the gingerbread. Old lady says, "Stop, I want to eat you." So when it passes the goat, goat grunts. Goat says, "Stop, I want to eat you." Then it passes the horse, it passes the cow. So the gingerbread passes the cows, gingerbread passes the horse. All the horse moves, the cow knees, the cow moves, the horse knees. Goat grunts, the old lady tells, shouts. So everyone, old lady, horse, cow and horse, goat, everyone run behind Ginger Man and tell them, "We want to eat you." But Ginger Man runs fast as it could. Then it reaches to the river. But Ginger Man doesn't know swimming. So there is a fox. The fox help the Ginger Man. Fox tells Ginger Man, "Sit on my nose." The gingerbread man sit on the fox's nose. So what happened? Gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose, and gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose. The fox takes the gingerbread man, which is sitting on the fox's nose. The gingerbread man takes that fox takes the gingerbread man to the river bank. Then what happens? The fox turns. Earlier what happens? First what happens, children? First, how the fox is cunning, see. The fox tells, "Come, sit on my nose." So what happens? Gingerbread man thinks that fox is helping. Fox is helping gingerbread man from all this, from the goat, from the woman, from the cow and from the horse and from the goat. So the gingerbread man sits on the sits on the fox's nose. When the gingerbread man sits on the fox's nose, fox takes the gingerbread man to the river side. But then what does the fox does? Do you think the fox help? No. That is what happens. As soon as they reach the bank, the fox flipped the gingerbread man into the air and ate him up. So what did the fox did? In the beginning, first in the starting, when the fox said, "Gingerbread man, sit on my nose," the fox sat on the gingerbread man's the gingerbread man sat on the fox's nose. The gingerbread man sat on the fox's nose, and fox took the gingerbread man to the river. But when they reached, as soon as they reached the bank, but when the fox and the gingerbread man, when they reached the bank of the river, when the fox reached the bank of the river, it flipped. It flipped means what? The fox turned its head. The fox turned the gingerbread man. Fox flipped the gingerbread man. Flipped means what? Fox turned the gingerbread man and fox ate the gingerbread man. So that is what happened. Children, That is what happened. What did the fox did? It told first to gingerbread man that I will help you. Sit on my nose. The gingerbread man sat on the fox nose. But what naughtiness? What naughtiness the fox did to the gingerbread man? The gingerbread man turned it was sitting on the nose. Gingerbread man turned its the fox turned the gingerbread man. What naughtiness the fox did? When gingerbread man was sitting on the fox nose, fox turned the gingerbread man and it blew into the air so fast that fox ate the gingerbread man. So that is the naughtiness the fox did. Okay children, so read the lesson. Thank you.